Welcome to Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to remove connection on LinkedIn application. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. Now search the person that you want to remove your connection with. For that, you can directly go to your search bar. For example, I want to remove the connection from this first person named Simon Jackson. Now to remove the connection, you have to tap on the three dot icon just beside message. There you can see the option connect at the fourth. That means I haven't connected with this person. Now to connect, all you have to do is tap on connect option. And once you are connected with that person, you can see the option remove connection in the same bar instead of connect. You can simply tap on there and the connection will be removed from this person. This is how you can remove connection in LinkedIn application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.